I've definitely got stuff growing in the garden, but a lot of it is the grass making a bit of a comeback. It's loved the new soil that we've given it, and it's made some headway, which we're not too pleased about. We're going to have to deal with it. But at the moment we're in a position where we can't quite tell a lot of the time if it's just the things that we've planted growing or if it's just grass and weeds having a comeback. So we're just going to wait a little bit longer so things look a bit more like what their final form is going to be before we start picking it all out. It's going to take a while when we get there though, because there is definitely a lot of grass and stuff growing through here now. So it's the first day of May, which means it's the perfect time to plant some bulbs. So I was looking for something that we could plant along the front yard and side yard of our house, because the fruit trees are really cute, but they kind of look a little bit bare underneath, and like when all of the leaves fall off in winter it just looks a little bit bare. So I did some research on the internet, and it turns out that bulbs such as daffodils and jonquils and things are really good to plant underneath your fruit trees, because apparently they don't compete for the stuff at the same time. Very technical explanation. And also in summer the trees will shade the bulbs from the really hot sun. Turns out the ground is really nice and soft on like the top inch. Underneath that, hard as a rock. We've got a couple of sets of bulbs. I've got a ton of tulips that we got from Tesselaar, and if you've ever been to one of their flower festivals that they have out there, you would see how amazing their bulbs are. Yep. And then I got some jonquils and some more jonquils and some daffodils from the seed collection. So gonna give those a try as well. And apparently around Mother's Day is the perfect time to plant your bulbs, and that's pretty soon. Next week? I don't know. Next Sunday, yeah. Sorry, Mum. That's what 36 holes looks like. Cute knee pads. Thanks. So I'm sprinkling some, putting in some liquid hot ash with the watering can, and then I'm putting in some compost from Graham McKay Earthworks, and then mixing it with a little bit of the existing dirt. So it's like a nice little bowl. Mix. Yep. Didn't realise until I raked right through it, but there's actually some mushrooms growing in the orchard now, which is new.